Hello, I'm Marcus Hayes and I wanted to make a quick video to wish you all a very Merry Christmas. I hope you have an epic day and I hope Santa brought you everything that you wanted, including any parts that you need for your projects. Pretty soon I'm going to be hitting the road to go and visit my parents, and my beautiful girlfriend Kat is now getting ready to go and visit her parents. As you can see, our living room is an absolute mess. Before I tidy everything away, let me show you what I got. My beautiful girlfriend Kat bought me some underwear, standard procedure, and a really smart shirt, and I've got a couple of bits here. The new Ed Sheeran album on vinyl, and that will be living up there with the rest of them. Gonna need a bigger shelf if he keeps bringing out new albums. And these Fila trainers, absolutely love these Fila trainers, got loads of pairs of them. And I just cracked open my last pair of Box Fresh white ones yesterday, so I've got another pair of those to add to the collection. Yeah. Now I'm scared that Fila are going to stop making that particular style of trainer, just like Lacoste did with the trainers that they used to do that I really liked, so I like to keep a load in stock. I've got a whole pile of chocolate, and I've already pretty much demolished this box of Maltesers. And these chocolates here were actually given to me by my good friends Fred, sometimes known as Lee, and his missus Hannah. So massive thanks and Merry Christmas to you guys. Over here I've got some bits that Kat's family got me. Got some smellies, standard. Really cool Levi's t-shirt. A nice new bag, because nowadays I carry my MacBook with me everywhere. And as a bit of a running joke between me and Kat's family, we've got some Heinz macaroni cheese and some Heinz ravioli. Because Kat's Italian and her dad and her brother are chefs, I've been trying to teach them about the fine, authentic Italian cuisine that you can now get in a can from my friends at Heinz. And last year I bought her mum a can of Heinz ravioli, which she wasn't too keen on. So yeah, this year they've bought me some cans of Heinz stuff. But I will be eating these. My friend Porrig from Northern Ireland sent over this really cool custom clock. Absolutely love this. It's obviously based around the Summit Show and Run sign, but yeah, it's been custom made with carbon fibre this side and light blue this side to represent my cars. It's actually got my name on it and the name of my cars as well. Really, really cool. Need to put that on the wall somewhere. And Porrig and the team over in Northern Ireland are actually very busy already planning next year's Summit Run and Show, and I'm definitely going. Hopefully this time I'll be able to take at least one of my cars with me, and I think it'd be really cool if we could get a big convoy of us English lot to go over there together as well. And I'll be banging on about that heavily once we get into sort of springtime, and yeah, we'll try and arrange loads of us to get over there on the boat together. So yeah, massive thanks to you, Porrig, and Merry Christmas to you and your family. My friends Danny and David Coogan gave me and Kat these really cool metal signs. Obviously, mine is Ford related, and Kat's is, I think that's a French flag, is it? The Italian flag. I don't know if that's the right way up or not, but yeah, they're really cool. So yeah, massive thanks to the Coogans and Merry Christmas to you guys. And for any of you that are wondering, this is what I bought Kat. It's a rose from Endura. I think they're like real roses and they do something to preserve them. And then yeah, they present them in these really cool glass jars. Got an engraved plaque down there, and it's actually got real diamond dust on it as well. But yeah, this was actually recommended to me by Kat's mum. When Kat and her mum were shopping, Kat really liked these. So yeah, I never know what to buy people for presents. So yeah, it was really handy that Kat's mum told me what to get Kat this year. I also got her some perfume, standard procedure. So yeah, that is my Christmas day so far. Going to be hitting the road soon to go and visit my parents. Now tomorrow I've got a video coming out that I filmed last weekend, so stay tuned to the channel for that. And tomorrow I'm looking forward to getting myself back around the garage to mess about with the cars, and you'll be able to see all that in up and coming videos. I've actually got 3 days off work starting tomorrow, which I'm really, really looking forward to. Other than that, I hope you all enjoy the rest of your Christmas. Massive thanks, as always, for your continued support on my channel. Until next time, Merry Christmas, and thanks for watching.